We survived our first heat wave living in our toaster on wheels. When it's 80 degrees at 9 a.m., you know it's going to be a hot one. The only thing keeping us from getting a hotel during this last heat wave was this 12-volt Velit Air conditioner. We can run it on our batteries and solar without having to be connected to shore power, and it only draws 60 to 80 amps. To keep the inside temperature of our Airstream from becoming unbearable, we did all of our cooking outside, and by we, I mean me. We could only sit still in the dark for so long before we got so bored, so we decided to pack up and head to the river to cool off. And I think it's safe to say that we found our spot for the summer. And that's how